Synthesis and evaluation of anticonvulsant activity of new 2,4-oxo-to-propylkinazolone 4,3-HYL acetohydrazide derivatives. By Suraj G. Malpani and Mayuri Jayaprakash Chandravanshi. Aim: a new series of 2,4-oxo-to-propylkinazolone 4,3-HYL acetohydrazide derivatives was prepared by reacting quinazolone 4,3-H1-hydrazide with substituted aromatic aldehydes. Quinazoline is a powerful pharmacological drug that possesses a number of biological properties, including antibacterial, antiviral, anti-cancer, convulsive, anxiety-inducing, anti-inflammatory, and analgesic properties. In this background, we have synthesized a series of quinazoline 4,3-H1 derivative 4A4F and screened for their anticonvulsant activity. Background: antiepileptic agents are neither curative nor preventive and are active exclusively as a means of controlling the symptoms of epilepsy. They can directly act on ion channels or indirectly impact the synthesis, metabolism, or function of neurotransmitters or receptors that control channel opening and closing. Methods: in this work, Schiff bases were prepared by treating quinazoline 4,3-H1-hydrazide with aromatic aldehydes. 6 compounds 4A4F were screened for anticonvulsant activity using the isoniazid and pentylene-tetrazole-induced convulsion models in mice. Results: all the compounds were given satisfactory reaction yields that represent the efficiency of the employed synthetic route. In the INH-induced convulsion model, quinazolinones 4A4B, 4D, 4E and 4F significantly delayed the onset of convulsion when compared to an induction control group, while the delay in seizure onset was not significant for 4C. In the PT-SED-induced convulsion model, quinazolinones 4A4D, 4E and 4F considerably delayed the onset of convulsion when compared to the induction control group, while the delay in seizure onset was not significant for 4B and 4C. This indicates the anticonvulsant activity of these derivatives, which might be due to potentiating GABA activity in the CNS. This anticonvulsant activity was due to the presence of electron-donating groups like OH, NH2, and OCH3 and electron-withdrawing groups like CF3 at the second and fourth positions of the aromatic ring attached to the hydrazide function. Conclusion: based on the results, it can be concluded that quinazoline 4,3-H1 derivative exhibited anticonvulsant activity. Notably, all tested compounds showed prolonged onset of convulsions and protected maximum animals, suggesting an increased level of GABA by its potentiation or prevention of its depletion. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.